Cytoplasm and organelles. Short question with answers. What is protoplasm? Protoplasm is the living matter of a 2. What are the two parts of protoplasm? Cytoplasm and nucleus. Where is the cytoplasm located in? Between the nuclear membrane and the plasma membrane. Is cytoplasm found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Yes, it is found in both types of cells. What is the main composition of cytoplasm? It is about 90% water and contains salts, sugars, amino acids, fatty acids, nucleotides, vitamins, dissolved gases, and protein. What is cytosol? Cytosol is the liquid, water-soluble matrix of the cytoplasm that surrounds the organelles. 7. Where do most metabolic reactions occur in prokaryotic cells? In the cytosol. What are two main functions of cytoplasm? It acts as a site of metabolism and a storehouse for the cell. What are cell organelles? These are specialized structures in the cytoplasm that perform specific functions. 10. Are all cell organelles membrane-bound? No, some, like ribosomes, are not membrane-bound. What is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? It is involved in protein and lipid synthesis. 13. What is the role of ribosomes? They are responsible for protein synthesis. What does the Golgi complex do? It modifies, sorts, and transports molecules. 15. What is the function of lysosomes? They digest cellular waste. What do peroxisomes? They break down fatty acids and detoxify harmful substances. 17. What are glyoxysomes, and where are they? Glyoxysomes are organelles that convert fats into sugars and are found in plants. What is stored in vacuoles? Water, nutrients, and waste materials. 19. Which organelle produces energy for the cell? Mitochondria produces ATP. Which organelle is responsible for photosynthesis in chloroplasts? 1. What is the endoplasmic reticulum? It is an extensive network of membranous tubules and sacs called cisternae. 2. What does the word endoplasmic mean? It means within the cytoplasm. 3. What are the two types of AR? Smooth AR and rough AR. What is the internal compartment of the AR called? The AR lumen cavity. Which type of cell contains more smooth AR? Skeletal muscle cells, where it is called sarcoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, smooth AR. What gives the smooth AR its appearance? The absence of ribosomes. What is the smooth AR continuous with? The rough AR. What are the functions of smooth AR? Synthesis of lipids, e.g., oils, cholesterol, phospholipids, and steroids. Detoxification of drugs and poisons, especially in liver cells. What types of hormones are synthesized in the smooth AR? Sex hormones of vertebrates and steroid hormones of adrenal gland. What gives the rough AR its appearance? Ribosomes attached to its surface. What is the primary function of rough AR? Producing and secreting proteins. 12. What are vesicles in transit called? Transport vesicles. What is the specialized region from where vesicles bud off called? Transitional AR. What other function does the rough AR have besides making secretory proteins? It is a membrane factory for the cell, producing membrane proteins and phospholipids. How does the rough AR contribute to the endomembrane system? It expands its membrane and transfers it to other components in the form of transport vesicles. What are ribosomes made of? Ribosomal RNA and protein. What is the main function of ribosomes? They carry out protein synthesis. How were ribosomes first observed? As dense granules under an electron microscope. Are ribosomes membrane-bound? No, they are non-membranous. What is the size of eukaryotic ribosomes? 80s, composed of 60s and 40s subunits. What is the size of prokaryotic ribosomes? 70s. Where are ribosomes formed? In the nucleolus? How are ribosomes transported to the cytoplasm? Through the nuclear. What is the role of magnesium ions in ribosome? They control the attachment of ribosomal subunits by forming salt bonds. What is a polysome or polyribosome? A chain of several ribosomes attached to one mRNA molecule during protein synthesis. Who discovered the Golgi complex? Camillo Golgi in 1890. What is the Golgi complex also? Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. What does the Golgi complex consist? A stack of flattened, membrane-bound sacs called cisternae and associated vesicles. What are the two phases of the Golgi complex? Siamese phase, forming phase, new cisternae are formed. Trans phase, maturing phase, cisternae break into vesicle. What is the main function of the Golgi complex? Processing and exporting cell secretions, especially proteins. Which organelles originate from the Golgi complex? Lysosomes, peroxisomes, and glyoxyls. What conjugated molecules are formed by the Golgi complex? Glycoproteins and lipoproteins. What role does the Golgi complex play in plant cells? It produces vesicles containing cell wall materials, which fuse to form the framaplast and later the new cell wall.